Okay, going back. We're still going up the mountains. Yeah. Diba? Pagod na? Ingat ka. Give me your hands. Guys, look down. Look down. Ooh. Huh? No. Let's go. To the top. Let's go this way, love. There. Give me your hand now. Kanina I had to go up this mountain carrying Rambo in my shoulders. Kinda CrossFit double time. Good. At her face. Tara na. Oh, layo nila. Careful. Slow lang. Slow but sure. Slowly. Nagkata ko na yung LY eh.
Also,
Pagod na pagod.
Guy is with us, June, his friend Joshua, si Chris, and then si Manong Daniel. Katukayo mo lang, Daniel.
Slow down, no. Yo, bro.
Say hi! Oi! Hi!
Nice, nag-live video. Kinda. Post tayo mamaya na pretending to be live. Ah, Diyos. Here my connection, let's try. Let's try.
Yeah, we lost it.
Yeah, right! Okay! Careful. Uy. Ako muna.
Dito yan. Go! Hey, Jun Sunga! Flex ka naman dyan!
Guys, this is Rambo. Rambo, say hi. And.
Pagod na si Rambo, love. Kanina ko siya.
Bakit ba ito ang tali?
Ako.
No, Rambo.
Okay, go.
You hold Rambo for me. Here's the view, guys. Here's the view, guys.
Another kayamanan.
Another.
Tara.
Parang binandal lang talaga.
Miles sa no. May taong dugo eh. Joke lang.
Oh, where we took a picture kanina.
You want some chocolate sauce? Here. Just choose. Ay, naku!
Rumbo no.
This one.
Gusto nila
Vegan
mo yan eh.
Toblerone. Tara po. Tara po. Malapit na.
Just one more hour.
I love doon pala. Last na yung third peak na. Yun na po yung Mount Ulap talaga.
Last ba yan?
Last na lang.
Last ba yan?
Last na, pero pabalik.
Sayang, 6 hours lang.
1 day pa. Charot.
6 hours lang. Sayang. Konti lang. Gutom na gutom kami. Baka mamaya no, kahit tae dito kakainin ko.
Ay, grabe siya. Ano
Joke
ba
lang.
yan?
Gutom eh.
Ate Jane messaged me. She said she was just here last December.
Jane?
Yeah, bumili.
Hello, Jane. Lagi siya, ano, natutulog eh.
We don't see that.
Joke lang. Joke lang. Let's go. O, dyan ka para mag-
I only have 30% mahal.
Ano mamaya? Ito na.
It's quite far.
Sila medyo mabagal pero wow, ganda ng buhok ko dito. Pwede pa photoshoot. Adventure. You guys wanna see the pool of my brother? Ta-da! Para mas maraming hikes. Boom boom, nigigi.
Saan na po ulit? Yan?
Get down. All the people's here.
Ah,
Ang
dun
baka,
sa
lang ba?
top?
May bata.
Babe, mas. Uy. Huwag dyan.
May konting bakit daw, konti lang.
Konti lang akyat to, tingnan mo.
Oh, may baka daw. Paano daw the dog?
May baka? Oo nga, no?
There, oh.
Nandun yung isa. May baka daw, June. Ano gagawin mo sa baka tsaka sa aso? Eh, Anong strategy mo? Sabihin mo sa camera na live na live. Oh, that's Rambo. Rambo,
Guys,
yung pinagtamad ng aso sa buong mundo. That's Jeff na may girlfriend siya ngayon. Sobrang kilig. Every second of the way, pataas, kilig na kilig. May bagong smile yan. Tapos kahit mabango, nilagay niya para makita ng girlfriend niya yung mabango niya sa camera. Just!
Sabi ni Jeff kanina,
Babe, sabi ko
sure
sa'yo
tayo,
eh.
selfie
Huwag
tayo.
kang
Tapos, sabi niya kanina, selfie tayo. Tapos, papakita niya sa girlfriend niya. Tapos, kilig na
let's
kilig.
eat steak. I ate your cousin last night.
What?
June said, let's eat steak. I ate your cousin last night.
I can still feeling the cousin.
Oh my God.
What are you saying, brother?
Every time he burps daw.
Pag malayo mukhang kala nila sila, no? Pero gano'n tagaan.
Yan ang ganda oh. Kayo dalawa ah, mga makulit ng aso. Mamaya. Diyan kayo sa baba. Ha? Bye?
Yeah.
Why do you want to say bye? They want to say hi. Hi muna.
Hi.
Now.
Bye.
Okay. Bye bye.
Hey, finally. Ayan siya.
Erica,
Oi.
you ready, okay?
I was born ready, Char. Love.
Let's go.
Go.
Buhatin kita.
No. Can you hold it, please?
Tuhod pa.
Go.
Ay, sus.
Bye.
Go, babe. Gusto ko makita. Hanggang sa taas. Go. Para sa video to ah.
Walang video, kanina pa ako nag-stop.
Bro, tulong kita.
Almost there.
Yeah. Parang nahirapan sila.
Hindi ba to?
Parang pagod si Erich.
Oh, pagod.
Tara.
Hindi pagod mo.
Look at the camera. Oh, inhale ka. Ayaw mo. These are the Spartans.
No smart.
Pagod na pagod.
Uy, grabe.
Oh, Billy Dogs. Ito nagka-cramps na 2 beses. Nag-give up na. Go babe, hanggang sa taas. Mamaya.
Go! You
Finishing.
You run and I follow you. Let's go. Go ahead. Picture.
You against Guy, go Guy.
Yeah, go. You first.
You against Guy.
Yeah. Pose. You against me.
1,
Tara. Yeah.
2, 3, go. Go babe.
You're here.
Wait, Guilherme. No. Tayo ni Guilherme. Ah! Talo si Guilherme! Yeah, talo!
Mag-cramps kayo. Mababa pa.
Let's go. Hop. Let's go.
We did it.
He can breathe.
I can. Go.
Look at Jeff's face. Kasi girlfriend mo. CrossFit. Chris, CrossFit. Bro, tulungan kita. Oh, takbo pa oh. Ayun oh. May weights pa oh. Yeah.
Daming pressure.
Dami ah. Daming bomba.
Ito ang pinakamataas.
Yay! Welcome to Mount Ulap.
Yes, good job guys. You have more.
After 30 minutes and 27 days.
2.4 more.
Oh, kuya, nagpo-football. Si Chris, oh. Yeah, okay. I'm tired of making videos. Ito, pagod siya. Gusto niya umihi. Pero walang toilet. Ah! Uhaw! Uhaw! Uhaw!